What's up guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com and I'm here to help you make better barbecue, feed the people you love, become a backyard barbecue hero. Today we're doing that with a buffalo style grilled corn sprinkled with a little blue cheese. Todd's pretty much just here to eat it, but I think he approves.
I'm here for this.
Stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it. I've got 6 ears of corn. We're gonna prep them really quickly. This is my favorite way to do grilled corn because it is so easy, low fuss, easy to clean, and the corn essentially steams inside the husks. So we're starting with just regular old sweet corn. Use some kitchen shears, trim off any of the silk, and then just remove any of those excess leaves on the outside. Getting rid of the silk and the loose leaves prevents anything from burning or catching on the grill. It keeps your corn nice and tight. Super easy, we're ready to go. I've got the grill preheated outside. I'm doing these over charcoal. You can use any grill you like. We're looking for 350 degrees in direct heat. We don't want these right over the coals, right over the fire, but we want the heat of the grill circulating around and getting some nice flavor into this corn. Our corn is partially cooked by steaming in the husks out on the grill. Takes anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes depending on how thick your corn is, how well you like it cooked. At about this phase is our next step. Peel back the husks. The silk is actually going to be really easy to pull out now because it's been partially cooked. And at this point you can either remove the husks all the way, or what I like to do for presentation is pull them back and just tie the ends with a little piece of butcher's twine. This will give your guests an awesome handle to eat from, and it just looks real pretty. Our corn is steamed, husks are peeled back. It's time to make our buffalo sauce. So I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. To that I'm adding 1 cup of buffalo sauce. You can use your favorite. My favorite is Frank's buffalo sauce. I like to warm it up a little bit before pouring it into the melted butter so the butter doesn't tighten onto a cold sauce. Get that well combined and then just brush it on all sides of the corn. Reserve any of the leftover buffalo sauce. You can use that later if you want a little extra kick on your corn. This is going back on the grill over direct heat for just a couple minutes per side. We want that nice blistery char grilled corn flavor. It's gonna be so good. These are off the grill. They smell amazing. They look amazing. Final touches. You can eat them just like this if you love the flavor of buffalo. I like to sprinkle mine with just a little bit of crumbled blue cheese, almost like a Mexican street corn with that cotija crumbled on top. If you hate blue cheese, you can drizzle them with a little bit of ranch dressing if you want to bring in something creamy. It doesn't need a lot, but just a couple bites of that blue cheese and you will be in heaven. I hope you guys give this one a try. I mean, Todd's gotta come in and give this one a try. You ready?
I smelled the funk from a mile away.
He's not a blue cheese fan, but you'll eat one for me, right? Just flick a little bit off. Okay, fine. I should have put ranch on yours, sorry. Ready? Mm-hmm. That's so good. The corn is sweet. It's perfectly cooked so it just pops in your mouth, but you get that nice char flavor from the grill. Buffalo sauce is spicy, but there's enough butter in there to make it like creamy and awesome. Don't die. Your face is disgusting.
Is it?
Leave it. You gotta finish eating anyway. We're gonna keep eating this. You guys should keep watching videos. Make sure to click right over here. We've got a whole playlist of awesome side dishes, other foods, delicious things that you will love to eat.